Partial discharge, also known as PD, results from defects and developing faults in the stator winding insulation of rotating electrical machines. Since PD is present and measurable well in advance of such failure, it is a reliable indicator of insulation integrity throughout a machine's lifetime. The insulation materials typically used for rotating machines are resistant to a certain level of PD over a length of time. However, an increase in PD activity at certain voltage levels can either indicate defects incurred during the manufacturing process or insulation deterioration when in service. PD measurements allow single weak points of the insulation system to be clearly identified.
The
partial discharge measurement is an important diagnostic tool for us because it allows us to gain insight into the condition of the machine, detect faults in the insulation, and then initiate maintenance.
PD testing based on international standards is initially performed when the machine is offline and energized using a separate high-voltage source. This type of PD testing is common practice for quality assurance of stator winding components and fully assembled machines in the factory. Offline PD measurements are regularly performed during maintenance outages to verify stator insulation condition in between repairs. Online PD measurements can also be performed on large generators when in service using permanently installed coupling capacitors and a terminal box for safe plug-and-play connections. This enables on-site insulation condition assessments during normal operation without having to shut down the machine. Regular PD measurements over time can be compared to previous measurements to trend insulation condition. This is the most reliable way to recognize a developing fault in its early stage to plan maintenance and avoid failure. For safe and highly accurate PD testing on rotating electrical machines in a variety of testing environments, we recommend our rugged MPD 800 Universal PD Measurement and Analysis System. The system's multi-language software allows you to select only the PD analysis tools you need and how data is displayed for specific tests. It supports fully synchronous multi-channel PD measurements for more complete assessments of stator winding insulation. Advanced noise suppression and PD source separation techniques help to simplify analysis and quickly locate defects, even in environments with heavy interference. For complete information about the MPD 800, please visit this website.